So in this video, we're going to dive into the different types of charts that we can use to display our crime types. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to start off with a pie chart, and I'm going to kind of pick the donut charts. They're technically different, but anyhow, I like the donut chart. So let's get that. Let's give it some space. Let's blow it up. And there we go. Because we're basing all of our data off of the same dimension of crime name 2, it's automatically detected, and here we have our pie chart there. And for the sake of giving this chart some space, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it right there. We're going to look at the style here and see if there's anything we want to do with that. We can turn down the slices, so maybe we wanted to see top 10, but maybe we can just take down to like top 5, right? So I'm going to change that setting right there. And then now we have top 5. So I'm actually going to take it back to a couple more. We'll try 7. And then we wouldn't want to color a pie chart by a single color usually. But I'll just show you what these different options do. So single color would look like that, and that's usually not enough contrast for me. Slice order allows you to pick all the other colors, and this one just gives you a dimension, right? So we can pick slice order, and maybe if there is a big disparity or something, we want to color that one red so that people are alerted to, so like, why is this just listed under other, right? Maybe that's something we're trying to show to like City Hall or the police commissioner or something like that. Let's go ahead and just toggle around our label right here. So we just want to make sure that our label always contrasts well. So we're just going to go ahead and make sure that's the case. And you can mess with the font size, but I would just leave it at auto. And this is showing a percentage, but we could show a value as well. So we'll just go ahead and we'll show the value there as well. Actually, we'll show the percentage for now. Just wanted to show you that you can do that. And then the background and border on this right here, so like if I were to change it to white, we would have terrible contrast, but you could in theory go in here and you could change this. I like to keep these things gray, so let's change that around. And actually I'll just put it on a straight up this one right here. That's fine. I'll just see what our legend contrast does right here, right? So that is definitely too much contrast, right? You can change that here along with the font and also the alignment. So this is really cool, right? Sometimes you want to display things differently. So to give it the most space and the most visibility, we'll just leave it like that. And then for the header, which is this little guy up here, which allows you to sort, we're going to go ahead and we're going to say always show, because we like that being there. Because when we're presenting it, we can say allow somebody to sort up and down, A to Z, or by record, which is the main quantity here. So we can see that as well. And so now we've gone down to see our smaller volume crimes, we'll say. And we can also say sort by, and they also have the option to export as well here, which is pretty cool. Alright, so now that we got that, let's actually add, we're going to do 2 pages for this. So I'm going to break into a separate page, and we'll say this is crime type overview 2. Alright, and now that I've got that's there, I can actually just drag that up, and there we go. And I'm going to get rid of this one because I didn't ask for that. And next I'm going to break into some more charts that are going to show variety in the next video.